What the? Ow! Where is the...
What's going on, man? Oh my gosh. Ah!
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Oh my...
Și să nu-i plictisești cu iepuri, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Tiga. Cipi cipi capa capa dubi dubi daba daba ci.
Lay down.
I'll give you my address.
Joey. Oh. Blue. Money. Sarah? Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Ce?
Сейчас свалит тебе что-нибудь, мама. Лучше. Вышел. Айо. Wow. 这俩。
Lay down. 进去。
What's up, Curtis, man? What you eating? Okay. A little something. I mean, it ain't cornflakes, but, you know, it's a little something. Curtis, y'all right, man? Why are you looking at me like that?
'Cause you in my bowl like it's yours.
I mean, share the wealth, Curtis. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we family, right? You know? We roommates, Curtis. Was mine yours? Was yours and mine?
It's funny you never share your cornflakes and bird seed with me. I'm the only one giving to you. That ain't fair. What's mine is yours.
Hey, Curtis don't like people in his food, man. He might hurt you. Man, me and Curtis go way back, man. He ain't gonna hurt me. Let me get back in this bowl, man. You ain't about to do nothing, right, Curtis?
If this camera wasn't on, I'd have me some chicken tonight. Believe that.
Yeah, I'll sock you out right now. Well, then do it then. What's up then? Oh, come on. Damn, Rudy. Y'all ain't got to be fighting like this, Rudy. We not doing that, Cordell. This dude been out here talking slick for 3 weeks. Rudy, he ain't worth it. Man, you ain't worth it, you dusty mutt. And who are you to tell me I ain't worth something? See, now that's what I'm talking about, Cordell. Now, if I shove some cat litter down his punk throat, he ain't gonna have nothing to say. Hey, don't be mad at me, because your mother has 7 litters from 6 different men. Oh, damn, Rudy, you might just have to give him the fresh skibbity paps out here. When it's Rudy, I was just kidding, Rudy. Hey, come listen to these cats, man. Damn, Cordell, you got some violent friends. Y'all better tell me. Yeah, these cats are crazy to me. Monty, man, it's a whole meal over here, dog. I'm gonna play dead. Hey, yo, Monty, he thinks I'm dead. Look at his face. He's buying it.
I got no regret.
Latrell, I don't think he's buying it. You keep coming back to life in front of his eyes. He's not buying that too for $1. Listen, guys, I know I'm supposed to be the meal, but I can hear your conversation. Let's bask in the warm tranquility of the outside. What do you say? Well, hell, I say, look at who you came to see. Hey, it's snow, guys. We can frolic. Oh, hell no, hell no. Hey, I can frolic these slaps across your bill for setting this up like this. Hey, you guys are too close-minded, man. You gotta expand your horizon. I'm gonna expand my fingers to slap you in the face once we get back in this house. Come on back in, Mr. Snowman.